Hello. This week we are going to start learning about irregular plural nouns. So today we're going to start with tackling irregular plural nouns. Let's take a timeout to review other plural noun endings. It will help you remember so you can use them correctly in your writing. All right, team, let's review. We can make plural nouns in different ways. Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 3, Rule 4. Rule 1, most common rule, is to just add S. Rule 2 would be words that end in S, CH, SH, or X. You'll need to add ES. Rule 3 are words that end a consonant, then a Y. You drop the Y and then add IES. Rule 4 are words that end with a vowel, then a Y. You just add S. Now, there are some nouns that are irregular in the plural form. That means you cannot just add S, ES, or IES to make them plural. These nouns can be like your opposing team's secret playbook. You have to figure them out. For example, man is singular. Men is plural. I just can't add an S to man to make it be man's. That doesn't sound right, nor does it look right. So this is an example of a irregular plural noun because I have to change the spelling. The same with woman. 1, woman. 2, women. I change the spelling to make the noun plural. I can't just add something to the end. Mouse. 1 mouse. 10 mice. Yikes. If you look at mouse and mice, I'm not just changing the spelling by a letter, I'm changing the spelling by several letters. It's not 10 mouses, it's 10 mice. 1 child, 6 children. 1 foot, 2 feet. You don't have 2 foots, you have 2 feet. This is an example of an irregular plural noun because I have to change the spelling of the word. 1 goose, 6 geese. 1 ox, 2 oxen. 1 tooth, 4 teeth. 1 die, 2 dice. Now it's game time. It says to use your whiteboards, but you could just use a piece of paper. And I want you to write down the correct plural form of each noun. Here we go. Farmers used to use ox to plow their fields. I want it to say farmers used to use the plural form of ox to plow their fields. What is the plural form of ox? Write it down. Oxen. OXEN. Here's another. Remember, on your paper, you're going to write down the plural form of the noun that's in the parentheses. The dentist will tell you to always floss your what? The plural form of tooth, please. It is teeth. There was a family of blank that lived in the barn. I need the plural form of mouse. Mice. You need to have 2 of these to play that game. So I need the plural form of die. Dice. My mom has 4 blank. I need to have the plural form of child. Children. The football player injured his foot. Well, he didn't just injure one, he injured both of them. So I need the plural form of foot. And it's feet. Oh, the poor guy. I hope he's able to finish the game. The blank were protecting their nest. I want the plural form of goose. Geese. The band was made up of only blank. I need the plural form of woman. Women. The blank in my family all know how to cook. I need the plural form of man. Men. Way to go! Keep your eyes on the prize, 3rd graders. Hard work is rewarded. There are going to be some other things on this page for you to do to practice irregular plural nouns this week. Good luck and have fun.